To convert a Moodle quiz to a Respondus Lockdown Browser quiz, scroll down to find your course dashboard. Here's the course dashboard. You scroll down and see if you have a Respondus block. If you do not have a Respondus block, then you need to edit blocks, and this will allow you to add the block that you need. Scroll to the bottom, add a block, and I will choose the Respondus Lockdown Browser. Now that I have the Respondus Lockdown Browser block, I go to the dashboard link for the Respondus Lockdown Browser. I'm going to skip the video, and this will list all my Moodle quizzes. Okay. You will have a list of quizzes, Respondus Lockdown Browser column, and a Respondus Monitor column. Okay, so right now I do not have any Lockdown Browser quizzes. They are all just ordinary Moodle quizzes. The final exam, I want to set that up. So I'm going to choose the drop-down next to the quiz name and select Settings. I'm going to change Don't Require to the toggle that says Require Respondus Lockdown Browser for this quiz. You can also enable Respondus Monitor. For mine, I'm not going to require it. Save and close. You can see next to the quiz name, it says Requires Respondus Lockdown Browser, and the column for Respondus Lockdown is now Required.